Good morning. I only woke up, but I already want to share with you my magical morning stretch. It's fill you with energy, lift your mood for a whole day, and slowly woke up your body. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Our first movement is a full body stretch. It helps your body slowly wake up, boost your blood circulation, and sets a reflection tone for the whole day.
Imagine you just woke up and you enjoy that first stretch. Feel every cell in your body waking up.
The next exercise is gentle twist. It will help your spine slowly wake up and soft relieve the tension accumulated overnight.
It wakes up your spine and softly releases any tension built up overnight.
Now we will do the cat and cow pose. It energizes your body, open up your breath and relax your spine.
This movement energizes your spine and refreshes your mind and body.
I already feel so much better. Our next stretch is a sitting forward fold. It gently stretches the hamstrings and back, helping you relax and center yourself.
Move slowly and mindfully, allowing your legs and back to gradually relax.
And the finished one exercise is sit side stretch. It opens your chest, improves breathing, and fills the body with lightness and space.
Open up your chest and feel your body filling with air and lightness.
Now you're full ready to start a new day. Thank you for starting morning with me and subscribe to my OnlyFans. I have more positive energy and morning stretch video